We're going to use a database from the Social Security Administration to show some of the great built-in features of Microsoft Power BI. This line chart shows names per million births. The map shows a density by state, and to the right we see the table of figures containing the actual numbers behind the graphics. Let's start by searching for a specific name. Click the drop-down arrow and click inside the area next to the magnifying glass. You can type a whole name or part of one. We choose Jackie and can see the history of the name for the entire United States. It's been very popular through the years as both a boy's name and a girl's. Our map shows it's been used mostly in the Midwest throughout history, and our table shows the exact number of births of Jackies over the years. But what if we'd like to drill down on a particular state? Simply click on that state and watch the other visuals update automatically. To get back to national numbers, click on the state again or click in an area with no data, like the ocean. If you're curious about the distribution of names during a particular year, you can scroll through the dates table and choose a year. In 1994, for instance, Jackie seems to be very popular in California and Texas. Clicking the year again will return us to national numbers. Let's use the search function again to choose a name with many variants. If we type Ann, we not only get that name, but a large number of others that contain ANN. First, we'll check the popularity of ANN. But what if we want to combine both spellings? To find the popularity of the name Ann, both with and without the final E, click the first name and Control-click any additional names. You'll see the other visuals update to reflect your selection. To check your own name, try the embedded link. This Power BI dashboard has been publicly shared.